Have we done one question which is related to income and expenditure? Harshit, Ziana? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, I think it is done.
Okay, we have already done that. If we are having this type of pair of linear equation, let's say we are having just a second. No? If we are having pair of linear equation as b by ax plus a by b y is equals to a square plus b square, and this is our first equation, and the other equation is x plus y is equals to twice ab. Will you be able to solve it for the value of x and y, Harshit and Ziana? Here we don't have numbers. Here we have a and b, but treat it like a number only. These are just like a number. A and b are constants over here, and we will, the way we treat numbers, same way we are going to treat this a and b. Please try it. Are you trying, Harshit, Ziana?
Yes.
Yeah. First, please do try. Then we'll be discussing how to solve when we are having this type of pair of linear equation. You can, for solving this question, just let me check whether the instruction is given that we need to use any specific method, that is the method of substitution or elimination. No. It just says that solve the pair of linear equations. So we can use the method of substitution, or we can also use the method of elimination. Our choice. Okay, whatever feels convenient to you, just by looking at this pair of linear equation, if you are thinking that substitution method will work over here, please go for it. Or if you are thinking elimination method will work over here easily, then go for it. Okay, so just the instruction is solve the given pair of linear equation. Solve it. Yes, Harshit. Are you doing it? Like, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am, solving it. Ma'am, I think
Solving.
this solution will have infinitely many solutions.
Here, infinitely many solution you are getting. We have to check. We are just having the instruction solve the following pair of equation for the value of x and y. Okay, just a second. Let me check it. Is it possible or not to solve it? So, yes, Ziana, have you started solving this one? Are you getting it, Ziana?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. We'll be doing it now. Okay, let me check whether it has infinitely many solution or what. So first we'll try to solve it the way we solve any equation. So here we are having equation number 1. So what we'll do, we will try to eliminate this denominator. If we will try to eliminate this denominator, because like when we are having fractional, the equation having fractional term, that will be difficult to do the calculation, simplification, whatever you say. Okay, so we will try to get rid of this denominator. Here the numerator is, we can take the LCM of the denominator. Here we are having a, here we are having b. So LCM of the denominator will become ab, right? Right, Harshit? Or you
Yes,
can say how you have started solving it.
ma'am, same. First, I have taken the LCM.
First you have taken the LCM. What is the LCM?
It's AB.
AB, right? The LCM will be ab, right, Ziana? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ziana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you please tell me, Ziana, what will be the numerator's first term?
Ma'am, B.
It will be, yes, Ziana.
Ma'am,
Here
B
in the
into B.
numerator we are
So,
having bx. Yeah,
yes.
you are.
Is it ma'am, B into B?
Yeah, perfect. B into B. It will be B into B. Okay. So it will be B into B plus this numerator is A. And here, what is the next numerator, Harshit?
Ma'am, it will be like, ma'am, it will be A. I'm getting A by B.
You are getting A by,
No, ma'am, I'm getting A y square B.
okay. We need to multiply this AB, since AB is the common denominator. And the next, this one, this denominator is B. Here we are having LCM as a AB. That means A we need to multiply in the numerator, right, Harshit?
Yes,
We need
ma'am.
to multiply A over here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this only you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Y is equals to, or we can directly also write that B square X plus A square Y is equals to A square plus B square. Alright. Now
Yes,
it became B square X plus A square Y is equals to AB. This AB which is in the denominator, we can shift it to other side and it will go and will get multiplied with whatever is there on the other side. Right, Ziana and Harshit?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now our equation became B square X plus A square Y is equals to, we can do the multiplication inside. So can you please tell me, Harshit, what will be having once we will apply the distributive property on the other side?
Ma'am, it will be like A cube plus AB square plus A square B plus B cube.
It will be A cube, it will be A cube B. This we will multiply with the first term. So it will be A cube B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And only one more term will be having, that is AB cube, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ziana, is it clear so far? This
Yes, ma'am.
particular step we will not perform only in this question. Whenever we are having fractional equation like this one, 3 by 4x plus 4 by 7y is equals to just a number 20. So that time what we do, we try to make it like a normal equation where no denominator is there. That type of equation is easier to solve. That type of equation is easier to do the calculation. Okay, you will not get stuck with the calculation, because when we will solve the equation there will be so many addition, subtraction. So to minimize those steps, what we do at first only, we just make our equation in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, where a and b, we try to keep a, b, c as a whole, not a whole number, I would say integers. Okay, be it a positive number, be it a negative number, everything is okay, but not a decimal number or a fractional number. So to avoid those scenario, we try to always take the LCM like this, and this is how we can make our equation. The first equation we have just done little bit of arrangement over there, and the first equation became like this. This is our equation number 3, right? Now the second equation we are having, it's so good, like x plus y is equals to 2ab, just that we are having x plus y is equals to twice ab. This is our second equation. We are having equation number 3, we are having equation number 2. Now we just have to solve it by the method of elimination or maybe by the method of substitution. Can you tell me which method you want to apply? Method of substitution or method of elimination? Harshit,
Yes, ma'am. Could you please repeat?
which method you want to apply here for solving it? Method of substitution or method of elimination?
Ma'am, I think elimination would be easier here.
Elimination will be easier. Okay, Ziana, you also want to apply method of elimination over here? Yes, Ziana. Can you hear me, Ziana?
Yes, ma'am.
Which method we can apply here? Like which method you want to apply here? We can apply any one, but which method you want to apply here?
Ma'am, elimination.
Elimination, let's apply. So what does the method of elimination says? That we can eliminate any one of the variable. And yes, Harshit, you was thinking that there are infinite solution, but I don't think there are infinite solution over here, because for checking infinite solution, what we do, we take the ratio of this a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Can you see all are not same over here, right?
Yes, ma'am. But just like when I was solving, then I am getting it. I think it was no first time.
Okay, when we are solving, then maybe we will get stuck. We will see that cases. Okay, so method of elimination, what we will do for applying the method of elimination, what you have done, Harshit?
Ma'am, could you please repeat?
What you have, like for applying the method of elimination, you must have made any one of the coefficients same, either x coefficient or y coefficient, right, Harshit?
Ma'am, I've just like done it. I mean, just changing the sign, not just multiplying it. See,
Yes, Diana. What can be done? No worries, Harshit. Now only we will proceed over here. Yes, Diana. What can be done after this one? What you are thinking? If we want to apply method of elimination, Diana, what can be done over here? How we apply method of elimination? The chapter is complete. Still, I have taken few questions so that we will cover whatever like I am feeling like you need to know. When we are having this type of variable, then how we will approach the question. So that's why I have taken few questions. I am going to take few questions today. Please let me know how to proceed if we want to apply method of elimination over here.
Ma'am, we'll multiply equation 2 with b. We can multiply equation 2 with b square.
B square. Perfect. We can multiply equation 2 with b square. Yes, we can multiply equation 2 with b square. Yes, that will work. Equation 2 will become b square x plus b square y is equals to 2ab into b square. That means b square x plus b square y is equals to 2ab cube. Is it clear so far? This became equation number 4. Now we have to work on equation 3 and equation 4. Right, Harshit and Ziana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's write equation 3 below equation 4 so that we will not get confused. We will treat this two equation and we will eliminate elimination method to eliminate. Okay, we will remove any one of the variables. So I'm just copy pasting. I'm going to copy paste this equation number 3 over here. It was b square x plus a square y is equals to a cube b plus AB cube. This is what we were having as equation number 3. I am just writing it again. Now we will be eliminating eliminating any one of the variable. What to do for eliminating the variable?
Subtraction, ma'am, here it is.
Subtraction, perfect. We will subtract these two equations. So Harshit, at first we need to make any one of the variables same. Gianna said that we can multiply by b square. Yes, that is one of the way of doing it. Another way is we can also think about multiplying equation number 2 by a square. That way we could have made the y coefficient same. And that way, by doing the subtraction, we will be able to eliminate the variable y. Now we are going to eliminate the variable x because xx is same. For now we are having this part same. We will be able to eliminate it by applying the by doing the subtraction over here. So let's do the subtraction. Equation number 4 minus equation number 3. So it will become b square x plus b square y minus b square x plus a square y is equals to 2ab cube minus a cube b. Here I am going to write it in a bracket because when you are not writing in a bracket, then you will end up doing this mistake. Okay, you will not change the sign, and that will, after this step, all the step will be incorrect if we will not write in a bracket. Which bracket I am talking about? I am talking about this part in a bracket. In front of this part there is a subtraction sign. That's why I need to be careful. Okay, here only I have not written the brackets. Okay, I have not applied the bracket over here, but I realized that here is subtraction sign, so I need to be careful. Okay, so when you are going to do the subtraction, when you are doing addition, no worries, you can do it directly without bracket. With bracket everything is fine, but when you are going to do subtraction like that, please be careful and write the steps properly. Use the parenthesis bracket. Okay, so plus ab cube. Now please solve it from here, Harshit and Ziana, and let me know what are you getting the value of y. From here we'll be getting the value of y. Please let me know what are you getting. It will be obviously in terms of a and b. That is fine because in this pair of linear equation we don't have number, but we are treating this a and b as a number because that is a constant over here. Okay, please do it.
Ma'am, I'm getting y2ab.
Yes, Harshit, y is equals to
2ab.
2a, you said?
2ab.
2ab, you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm keeping it aside. Ziana, please let me know what are you getting as a y value. This one is Harshit's response.
Oh, yes, ma'am, 1 second.
Same you are getting, Ziana?
No, 1 second.
Okay, so what you got? Okay, still doing. Do it. Take your time, finish it. Let me know what are you getting as a y.
Ma'am, can we do this on the screen?
Uh, yes, Ziana, you said that you are getting the same.
No, ma'am, can we do it on the screen?
Okay, can we do it on a screen? Yes, sure. We will be doing it over here. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. When we will open the bracket, it is b square x plus b square y. Here we don't have to worry about the signs and all. The next one, minus b square x minus a square y is equals to 2ab cube minus a cube b and again minus ab cube. That's why I have applied the bracket here also and here also, so that this will be negative sign, this will also be negative sign. Okay, now we can see this gone, these two are like one of the variable x that is eliminated already. That's what we wanted, to eliminate any one of the variable, and that's why the name is elimination method. Now we are having b square y minus a square y is equals to 2ab cube and one more ab cube I can see here. Okay, so 2ab cube minus ab cube is what? Harshit and Ziana.
Ma'am, 2.
2ab cube minus ab cube is what? These two are like terms. Yes or no? This one and this one. These two are like terms,
Ma'am,
right?
ab cube.
ab cube only. It will be just ab cube minus a cube b we are having. Okay, on the other side y we are having. Whenever you will get this type of scenario, please take out y as a common, because what we need the value of y. Okay, so we will take out y common over here, and what will be the remaining? Can you tell me, Ziana and Harshit?
B square minus a square.
b square minus a square. Okay, this is how, just focus, be careful on this step. This is how we'll be getting the last step in most of, like in few question where you will get like stuck, that how to find y from here. In this type of scenario, always what we do, we take out y as a common, we take out x as a common, and then easily you can see that we will be able to get the value of y. Other side we are having ab cube minus a cube b. Okay, here we will be having y is equals to whatever is in multiplication with y. What we do, we just shift it to other side, and it go to other side and be in multiplication becomes division on the other side, so it will directly go in the denominator. Yes or no, Ziana? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ziana, it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
go in the denominator, so we will be having ab cube minus a cube b over b square minus a square. Is it clear so far? Now we will think about simplifying this numerator denominator, whatever is there. Factorization we already know, we have learned factorization in the previous class also, and before that also we have done a lot of factorization. There was a completely a chapter dedicated to the factorization part, so we know factorization, how to do the factorization. Here we will try doing the factorization if that is possible. Otherwise, if nothing is possible, we will say this step is our answer, this step is the value of y. But before before making the conclusion that this is the answer step, this is the final step, we will try doing the factorization. We will check if that is possible or not. So see carefully, the denominator we can do the factorization. What about numerator? Can we take out any common factor from the numerators part? Harshit and Ziana.
Ma'am, we will apply the like identity here, a plus b or a minus b.
The denominator became a plus b and a minus b. A plus b is okay. A minus b or b minus a, Harshit?
B minus a.
B minus a. Okay, because a minus b and b minus a is different. Okay, when we are talking about the square, it's same. When we are talking about the square, it's same, but separately a minus b and b minus a is different. If I am not making sense, let me clear it. I am saying that if there is a square, then this a minus b you can take minus common, and then it will become b minus a. But since a square is there, so everything will be having a square. Even if you have taken out the negative sign out, that negative sign will say I need my square. Okay, the power is for everybody, and negative sign will also take the power, and due to that this will become plus b minus a whole square. That's why I am saying that a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square is the same thing. Okay, but if no square is there, then a minus b and b minus a is not same, because there is a we need to take minus sign common, and then it will become b minus a. So both are different, right, Harshit and Ziana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this was, let's get back to our question. So the denominator became like a plus b, a minus b, that formula we can apply. But since we are having b square minus a square, we will say b plus a, b minus a. Numerator, is it possible to take out any common factor or do the factorization of the numerator? Harshit and Ziana, can we take out any common factor from the numerator?
AB.
Yes, ab we can take out common factor. Okay, what will be remaining? Please let me know. Please let me know what will be
Ma'am,
the
a square,
b square
a square
minus
minus b square.
b square minus a square. Still we can do the factorization of this one. So it will become ab. Again we can write b plus a, b minus a, and everything we can see it is getting cancelled out with the denominator. Okay, b plus a, b minus a, it is getting cancelled out with the denominator, and we are having just ab. Y value is ab. Is it clear? Is it clear, Harshit and Ziana? Let's
Yes,
summarize
ma'am.
everything what we did in this question. Okay, what we did, this is our question, and here it just the instruction was to solve it and find the value of x and y. Obviously, in terms of a and b. What we did over here, we have tried to just get rid of this denominator in the first equation, because we always want our equation in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, where a, b, c are just the integers. Okay, no denominator, nothing. So we the way we solve the normal question where we are having a fractional number 3 by 4, 5 by 7, like that, same way we tried doing this one by taking out the LCM. We have taken the LCM of the denominator, that became ab. Okay, now the numerator became, we easily understand, it will be b square x, it will be a square y, other side will be just a square plus b square as it is. Then we try to make it equation number 3, which was quite simple. Like from 1 to 3, we have just applied the same approach which we apply with this type of equation whenever we are having 4 by 8, let's say 7 y is equals to 24. this type of equation, the way we simplify it, same way we have done the simplification and we got it equation number 3. Now equation 3 and equation 2, we have to solve it either by the method of substitution or by the method of elimination. The way we apply, as you said, we can apply elimination method over here. That will be easier. Yes, that will be easier. And we have applied the method of elimination. Ziana said that we can multiply b square. Perfect. Okay, we just proceeded with that and we have solved this equation. I was saying that you understand that we have to multiply by b square. Harshit said that we need to do the subtraction. That is also perfect. We did everything the way you said. Okay. Now here I have just told you to be careful. This type of equation, this type of step we will be getting in most of the scenario in mathematics, and student just think about it that how to take out the value of y from here. So always whenever you are having this type of a step, you have to take out y as a common to reach to this step. Okay, once you have taken out common, you will be able to understand. Okay, now we need to isolate y. Now we need to keep y on one side and rest of the thing should be there on the other side. That way we will be getting the value of y. That's it. We got the value of y as a AB. Now we have to find the value of x. Again, I would just keep my screen over here so that you can see equation number 3, equation number 2. Okay. Please, y value we have got as a AB. Please find x value. Harshit and Ziana. Y we got as a AB. Now you have to find y we got as a AB. Now from this equation 3, 2, 4, whatever you want to take, which whatever seems the easier equation to you, please pick that equation and find x value. Hint is from equation number 3 or maybe 2 or maybe 4. You have to pick any one of the equation and you have to substitute your y value to get the x value. Please do it, Harshit and Ziana.
Ma'am, x is coming as 2.
X is coming as 2. Already you have done, Harshit. Perfect. Yes, Ziana, are you getting 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 2? No AB? Let me check. I'm going to use equation number 2 because this looks quite simple. Okay, equation number 2 is x plus y is equals to 2ab. X plus y is equals to 2ab. Are you sure Harshit and Ziana will be getting only 2? Only 2 will be getting. Please check it by using this equation. Do you want to check it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check it.
Ma'am, I'm getting access to.
Still you are getting 2. Okay, let me do it. Y is AB. X plus AB is equals to 2AB. Have you cancelled out this AB, Harshit and Ziana? Can we do that?
Yes, from 2 it is coming.
Can we cancel it like this, Harshit
No,
and Ziana?
ma'am, we can
Oh,
bring
ma'am,
it to the others.
they are transported on this.
Exactly. You both are getting it. Okay, I can understand like Ziana is also saying the same thing. Harshit is also saying the same thing that we need to transpose it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you understand Ziana and Harshit that we need to transpose it to other side, we cannot cancel it like this. Will it give 2 to us? Is it 2? 2ab minus ab is 2. Harshit, is it 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it AB?
2ab minus ab is 2, Harshit.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm saying. No, the answer is coming true.
Answer is coming as ab. 2ab minus ab is ab, not 2.
But
2x.
ma'am, in the like in the previous question, you have done it, so it is also coming it.
No, initially, I don't know, maybe I didn't heard it properly. Sorry for that, Harshit. But that's why I am just still wondering that why you are saying that it will be 2. It will be AB. 2AB minus AB is AB. Okay. 2y minus y is only y. 2z minus z is only z. Similarly, 2AB minus AB is just AB. Our x value is AB. Our y value is AB. Have you what we were supposed to do in this question? We were supposed to find the x value and y value. We got it. AB, AB. Is it clear to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And yes, Harshit, this is not infinite many solutions case because you can understand from here what is the criteria, what is the condition for infinitely many solution. Ziana, Harshit, A1 by A2
A1 by A2. I'm sorry, can you repeat?
is equals to B1 by B2.
N is not equal to C1 by C2.
Yeah, is equals to C1 by C2. If that is the case, then we can say that is it is the case of infinitely many solution. But here we are not having the case of infinitely many solution. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you can see C1 by C2. This ratio is not same. B1 by B2, A1 by A2. This ratio will not be same. Okay. It has to be same ratio. A1 by A2 is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is 1 by 2. Then we will say that the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Let me take the other question. Again, the same type of question. Please do try solving it. Okay. Solve the following for x and y. Twice of ax minus by plus a plus 4b is equals to 0. Twice of bx plus ay plus b minus 4a is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Please solve it for the value of x and y. Please do try at first, then we'll be doing it on the screen. Okay. If you want to copy the previous question, please take your time and copy it. Have you copied the previous one? Harshit and Ziana? Or you have done it in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, no? Okay. Do this one also. Yes, Harshit and Ziana, please let me know, have you given the assessment of method of elimination?
Yes, ma'am, I have given it.
Yes, you
Yes,
both
ma'am.
have given already, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, please continue with this one. Are you getting it? How to proceed over here, or we can do it on the screen? Yes, Harshit?
Ma'am, I'm just doing it.
Okay, trying it. Please try. Ziana, you are also trying it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please do try.
Ma'am, excess coming mine is 8.
X is coming as,
8.
you said B,
No, ma'am, 8.
A. And B, okay. X you got as a A, Y. You are still finding, right?
Yes.
Yes, Diana. Are you getting the same?
Ma'am, I'm getting x as negative 1 by 2.
X you are getting as
Negative 1 by 2.
negative.
1 by 2. No, ma'am,
Negative 1
x.
by 2 you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check it quickly. Just a
Ma'am,
second. Let me check.
x as negative 1 by 2.
Okay, you said X as negative 1 by 2. This one is Harshit's response. Next one is Siana's. Let me check. Okay, let's check it on the screen. So we are having twice ax minus by. We can write it as this one. Twice ax minus by is equals to this. This is the constant term we are having. We can shift it to other side, or no worries, we can keep it in this side also. Our choice. I am shifting it to other side so that we will be, it will be clear to us that it is nothing but just a constant, so minus. Okay, equation 1, I have not changed anything yet. I have just shifted this constant type of this c term to the other side. Okay, if you have not done it like this, it's totally fine. We are just going to see whether x value is a or x value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, twice bx plus ay is equals to minus of b minus 4a. We are just shifting this c to other side. Okay, now we can apply the distributive property to open the bracket so that our x coefficient, y coefficient will be clear to us, and we can see whether elimination method we need to multiply any extra term or what. So we'll be having 2ax minus b 2by is equals to minus a plus 4b. Here I am doing it quite quickly because you have already done it and you have got the value of x and y. Okay, so 2bx plus 2ay is equals to, and I need to check whether we are also getting the same x or not. Question 2. Elimination method, x coefficient is not same, y coefficient is still it's not same. Any one we have to make it same. So let's eliminate y. Okay, let's eliminate y because plus minus sign is there. Okay, from here directly we will land at x value. So if we want to eliminate y, here we are having 2b, here we are having 2a. Here a is not there in the first equation, a is not there, a is not there in the second equation, b is not there. So we can realize that in the first equation we need to multiply with a, in the second equation we need to multiply with b, so that both will become 2ab 2ab. Okay, fine. So our equation number 1 became 2a square x minus 2aby is equals to minus a, we need to multiply with a plus 4b, and the second equation 2b square x my plus 2aby is equals to minus b times b minus 4a. Okay, this is the new equation 3. Equation 4, now we can add these two equations since we want to eliminate y. Let's check it. This y will eliminate it when we will add this two equation, and here we'll be having 2a square x plus 2b square y. Okay, on the other side we'll be having, if we will apply the distributive property and then we will, if we will write it over here, we'll be having minus a square minus 4ab. Okay, plus, because we are adding, minus b square minus 4ab. Okay, so here we are having, sorry, I have written y over here, it will be x. And I just told you that this scenario we will always be getting. And here if we have to find the x value, x we can take out as a common. 2a square plus 2b square is the coefficient of x. On the other side we'll be having a minus a square minus b square. We cannot do anything. Minus 4ab will become minus 8ab. So minus a square minus b square minus 8ab we are having. It doesn't look like that we are going to get x as a or maybe x as a minus 1 by 2, because this all, if we will write on the other side, minus a square minus b square minus 8ab over twice a square plus twice b square, this is what we are going to get as a x. We will think about simplifying it, but for now it doesn't look like we can do the simplification, because in the numerator a square b square is there but 2ab we don't have. Okay, if we will try making that by taking 2ab, still we will not be able to do that much of factorization over here, because you can see the denominator is also 2a square plus b square, like 2b square. Yes, Harshit and Ziana, please send the snap of the portion wherever you have solved it. Please send the snap to our operation team, where from where you get the message regarding classes and everything on the same WhatsApp number. Please send the snap of the portion wherever you have solved it, so that I can see how, like which approach you have applied. Yes, Harshit and Ziana, please do it. Are you doing it? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Ziana?
Ma'am.
Yeah, please send it so that I can see
Ma'am,
that which approach you have applied.
ma'am, it's in my parents' phone, so I don't have
Oh,
the phone.
okay, no worries. Later on, you can do Ziana after the class. Is it possible?
Okay, ma'am, I'll try.
Like whenever you will get the time after your studies and classes, please do that so that I can check which method you have applied. Okay, Ziana.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we got the x value. It is not that beautiful x value just like the previous one. I need to check whether we can do the simplification over here or not. And y value, whenever you will be getting this type of x value, no, please don't put it in the any of one of the equation to get the y value. Better to again start from equation 3 and 4. And now this time, not 3 and 4, 1 and 2. Okay, now this time we will be making the coefficient of x say, and we will eliminate x to get y. How? So our equation number, whenever this type of x value you are getting, please don't substitute it. Better you can do that 2ax minus 2by is equals to minus a plus 4b, and the other one is 2bx plus 2ay is equals to minus b minus 4a. In equation number 1, to make the x coefficient same, you need to multiply what? Can you tell me? Harshit and Ziana. If we want to make x coefficient same, there 2a is there, here 2b is there. I want to make both same. 2 is there, fine. AB is there. We have to make it same. What to do?
Ma'am, can you multiply it by B?
Yeah, we can multiply with b over here, we can multiply a over here, and then we can proceed that way. After making it same, we can do the addition or subtraction.
Uh, I, addition, ma'am.
No, this is positive, this is positive. If both will become 2abx, 2abx, do we add them to make 4abx?
No, ma'am, we'll subtract.
Exactly. It's subtraction. X we will be able to eliminate, and direct y value we will be getting. So from here, are you getting it? That every time we don't have to take x value and we have to substitute it in any one of the equation to get the y